It's almost time.
Stay tuned for Police Dog Story.
Yeah.
You're watching AFB Animal Future Vision, Channel K9.
Police Dog Story, featuring Duke Shepard, Rookie Cop.
Hi, I'm Duke. I was completing my academy training, practicing the big steps and pretending to scale a House of Pancakes roof. And I was, I slipped on some syrup. Sorry about that, Chief. That's when I heard it. That bell meant the jailbreak. It was broad daylight, but these brazen criminals used a cleverly devised plan. One of them tunneled his way to freedom and served as a lookout for the others.
That's okay!
Inch by inch, they had been plotting their escape.
Let's see. I shouldn't have eaten that cake with the file in it.
Even the juvenile division had a bad boy.
I'm getting out of here. All I did was pee-pee on the rug, and I'm gonna do it again.
Once the warden put me on kitchen duty, I knew I was halfway to freedom.
All right, Trixie. You got 30 minutes in the yard for exercise.
Oh, sure, matron. Yeah, sure. We'll exercise this. I'm getting out of here. My man Vinny's gonna meet me outside the wall. I'm getting out. I'll find Trixie, and by nightfall, we'll blow out of this two-bit town. Yeah, almost there.
While the warden's gone to the donut shop, I'll just slip out through his office.
Calling all cars. Be on the lookout for escaped prisoners.
Will these fugitives be able to hide from the law?
Oh, I can hear the sirens. I gotta find a place. Oh, maybe behind this tree here. Oh, they can see my head. Oh, now they can see my tail. What am I gonna do? I gotta find a place. Let's see. Oh, here. Oh, behind the bushes. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. It was just an ice cream truck.
Will they be forced to live in the gutter and steal food?
There's never any sunflower seeds left. Oh, let's see.
Can they disguise themselves?
I feel like everyone's looking at me. I had to pick through Charlton Heston's trash just to get this thing.
Will they be recognized? And will Rookie Shepard help capture them?
Not now. It's lunchtime. Oh, Braunschweiger. Yum.
Watch Police Dog Story, Part 2. Humans who like to tease and torment. They are everywhere, even in our own homes. They're a breed of people with no life of their own, so they toy with ours.
Get it, man.
Even the most defenseless are constantly taunted, often after being velcroed to the carpet.
Oh, it stinks! Ew! Take it away from my tiny nose! Yuck!
They prey on our weaknesses.
Don't make me watch this! Why did they trade Gretzky?
Who are you? What are you doing in my yard? Is that you, Peter Pan? I'm gonna get you.
Let me kiss you. One kiss. One birdie kiss. Please give me a kiss. Okay. Don't you like that bird, Biddy?
I'll kiss the bird. Then it gets lips. You people nuts. Don't fly away, bird.
Tonight for dinner, I'm going to make you a nice potato salad and a meatloaf sandwich on some white bread, but I'm not going to make any more tacos for you. See? He's not happy. Unless he's got tacos, tacos, tacos all the time, eh?
Yikes! You're hurting my tail. Please, Daddy. We love the kitty.
I can do
No,
that.
Hey, wait a minute! You cats can't swim!
He can't swim.
Fooled ya!
Oh, brother, I gotta do something about this woman. Her breath is burning my eyes.
Yeah. Tommy, there's a lion.
Oh.
Tommy, don't hit the glass.
Oh, that kid again.
Look, the lion. I'm not afraid of you. I just hit the snooze button. I've got 10 more minutes. Why doesn't she get all in bed? I'll eat this dribble.
Hello. Vet? Yeah, he's here. You want him in for his shots on Monday? Well, I don't know. I'll have to ask him. Just a minute. Sass, vet wants to know if he wants to... Yeah, you don't like the vet, yeah. The vet wants to know if he wants to go in for your needles. I guess that's a no.
Oh, who let the dog out?
Oh, my barbecue sauce, barbecue sauce. I love barbecue sauce. Oh, it's
Get out of there, dog! Get out of there!
Oh, no MSG. Oh,
Come on, dog!
oh, how's this getting? Oh, one more.
Oh, man!
I know you've had this blanket a long time now, but Mom told me to wash it, so let me have this blanket. Come over. Let me have it. Come on.
I've still got Halloween candy in here.
Hey, you old goat. You make a nice seat cover.
Maybe I'll cover your seat.